Sanibonani emakhaya, okhulumayo ngu-Deputy Chairperson of the ATM Youth League, Lulu Kelembe. Namhlanje we are here at the rally ATM, joined by MK and other parties. Masambe nisingene ngaphakathi sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani.
President of the ATM, leadership of Umkhonto weSizwe, leadership of the Land Party, and other formations present, let me say that the unity of the poor, the unity of the working class, the unity of the oppressed is much more important today than it was yesterday.
Amandla! Amandla! Away to Maibuye! Maibuye! Long live President Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma, long live! Long live Chief Apostle, long live! Viva President Zungula, viva! Viva President Zungula, viva! Chief Apostle, the leadership that is present here today, on behalf of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, the relationship that exists between the two parties is not a forgery. It is spiritual, it is real. It is a relationship that is going to bring back our country. It is a relationship that is going to ensure that come 2026 local government elections, that we are going to take over this country. We are going to rule all the municipalities in South Africa. We are going to prepare in that process to take over government in 2029. This is not a dream. They may think that is a dream, but you all know that during 2024 elections, Umkhonto weSizwe and the ATM were very close together, and we won this country. We were robbed. We took 2/3 majority in the country, and it is not something that is fake, but it is real. Today we are here to say we support the initiative. We do know that this relationship was not a relationship born out of lies, out of sabotage, but it's a relationship that is formed by leaders who are credible, leaders who are known within our community, leaders who are respected. And we want to say to the people of Umkhonto weSizwe and ATM, let's hold hands together. Let us not also be thinking about positions when we prepare for 2026. Let's think about going to serve our people, because that's what Umkhonto weSizwe and ATM are meant to do. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of us who are here, who have been blessed with these showers of blessing, to say indeed, we are on path towards taking control of our country. Amandla! Amandla! Away to Matla! Matla! Keruna! Keruna! All power!
MK ne-ATM ziyovota ndawonye. Umbuzo uthi kanjani? It's very simple. Ngo-2026, umasipala noba yi-local municipality, noba yi-district, noba yi-metro, apho kucontesta i-MK, i-ATM ayicontest. Apho kucontest i-ATM, i-MK ayicontest. Thina siyokhampeynela uba makungene i-MK kulo masipala, kodwa elistini yayo inabantu bayo nabe-ATM. I-ATM xa icontesta isubmit ilist yayo ku-IEC, ibhatale, yawugqiba ifake amagama abantu be-ATM namagama abantu be-MK kule list ye-ATM. sijonge ke ngoku uba usathana uyawukwazi kanjani ukurobha i-ATM, uyawukwazi kanjani ukhetha i-MK, ngoba uyawufika sindawonye. Sithetha loo nto xa sisithi siyovota ndawonye. Loo ndlela iyawusinika amandla okoyisa, because soyiswa ngee-wars of resistance ezazikhokhelwa ngamakhosi. We were defeated because we were fighting from different fronts.
If there is one thing that will truly liberate the people of this country, it is unity. If there is one thing that will make us attain what was fought for by Obaomkhulu bethu, it is only unity. We want to make an appeal kuthi sonke servants makuvuselele ke i-consciousness ngaphakathi kwethu, i-consciousness yokumkani uMhlonhlo, okumkani uMaqoma, okumkani uYintsa, okumkani uShaka kasenza ngakhona, zonke ikumkani ezalwela elilizwe ukuze sikhululeke. It is for that reason we are saying forward with unity, forward.
We are fighting here for the real freedom. You know, we had a shadow of a freedom that we fought for. We have seen that what we are carrying is just an image. We don't want now an image of a freedom. We want the real freedom. Because without land, you don't have the real freedom. Because land is one thing that God gave us for us to be fed through that land. Land, you must remember that land is one of the factors of production. Without land, you don't have a factor of production. That is one thing that we need to remember. If you don't have a factor of production, then you also have children. How are you going to feed these children? Sisendaweni apho sifuna inkululeko kwenyani. The people that are before us today, they are looking to put an end to churches and all of them. You must never think that ANC is here to promote spirituality. No, it is here to destroy this spirituality. Because the people behind them do not love spirituality. And without spirituality, we are Africans, we are nothing. An African is an African because he is a spiritual being. We understand that. This is one thing that I must tell you. If you are in any church and you hate to be in politics, you are a liar. Because the first person that was sent here to liberate us, that was Jesus. He came to liberate. He never came here just because we were sinners. He never came for sinners here. There's nothing that tells you about a sinner in the mission of Jesus. He came here because there was a cry of people who were oppressed by those that are rich. Hence he said, I'm here to preach the gospel unto the poor. Why not the rich? The reason for being here of the one that was sent by God, it was because of the cry of the people, not of the sins. The sins were committed by Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden. God never came down. But when the people cried because they were oppressed by Pharaoh, then God came down and he said, I'm here to free you. There's one thing that I must tell you. There's only one thing that will set you free, and that is truth. What you are standing here for is the truth. What you will be voting for in the next elections is the truth. If you are not voting for the truth, then you are doomed. And what is that truth? It is that God created us in his image, and he wanted peace on earth, and we are here for peace. We are here conducting the peace revolution through all these parties that here stand today. There's one thing that I will tell you. Marius is here. You must work hand in hand with Marius and Kobani for Land Party. Ndisho nakuni mkhonto wesizwe. Mkhonto wesizwe, uMarius nanku noKobani masihambeni siye ekhethweni sihlangene singayi sahlukene. United we stand, but divided will fall. Usomandla uThixo umdali wethu anibusisana igcine manje kuze kube phakade. Amen. Siyabonga kakhulu ngokusigcinela uJacob Zuma. Siyabonga kakhulu uNkosi ngokusigcinela indoda eneqiniso. Siyabonga kakhulu ngokusigcinela amadoda alaziyo iqiniso akwaziyo kumlandela. Somlandela Zuma, somlandela lapha yakhona. Somlandela Zuma lapho hayakhona. Somlandela.
Revolutionary greetings to the commanders of South Africa. My name is Mbali Seisana and I am the MKSM National Convener. What a day. Today was the ATM rally. What this unity between the ATM and the MK means is that we all moving together in unison. We are stronger united than we are divided. So we promote this unity amongst progressive forces as we will go to the local government elections. And with the support of the ATM, together, we will bring change for the South African people, because it was now Freedom Day. But can we really say that we are free as a nation? Can we say that we are free while still the high unemployment rate? Can we say we are free whilst the youth is not getting any jobs? Can we say we are free when we're all still living in poor conditions? Can we say we are free when we are still not getting free and quality education? Can we say we are really free as a nation? No. And what MK is there for, we're not there to make people promises. We're there to show people their realities so that they too can make that judgment to join us in this fight. South African people and students, let us join in the fight and promote this unity. And I call upon the ATM SM to join in with the MKSM. Please do reach out. Let us form a unity and bring all the students of South Africa together.
Viva Mbokoto, viva! My name is Thando Shozi. I am the convener of the women nationally of Umkhonto Wesizwe, and we are quite excited to be here today because we came to grace the event that is run by ATM, who are our partners, and we took the opportunity to come here as the MK Women's League to team up with our colleagues on the other side, because the ATM has got its own women's league. So we are joining them. We are already solidifying the partnership between the two parties, because our leaders here were also emphasizing the importance of unity, because without unity we will not be able to succeed. One of the things that enemies utilized to actually defeat Africans was to divide and rule. And so this mission that we are on of partnering with all progressive movements is to ensure that we fight together to bring back our land, to bring back our wealth. And so as the Women's League, we've already started working with the Women's League of the ATM. Beskat Desinabo, East London, in their rally there, and we were with them in our event, your Women's League Okwini in the KwaZulu Natal. We're already solidifying this relationship, and this engagement today is about the third one. So it's the start. At the time when we get to the elections, the local elections, I think the Secretary General of ATM was so amazing when he explains the strategies that the ATM and Umkhonto weSizwe are going to utilize to actually vote together. And that is what we are on. So going forward, you're going to see a lot of the ATM and Umkhonto weSizwe events combined, because we are fighting together, we are stronger together. Amandla.
Greetings, my name is Qiniso Cebane, the National Convener of the MK Youth League. We are here in the Western Cape at the ATM rally. One must acknowledge and be thankful of this alliance of the MK Party and ATM, led by our leader, President Jacob Zuma, and the spiritual father, Professor Caesar Nongunga. As the MK Youth League, we have a good working relationship with the ATM. We have been attending our programs, very successful programs that we have been having at the MK Youth League, and they have been attending, and also attending ATM programs, especially in Gauteng that they are having. One must acknowledge that these two political parties, they are here to challenge the status quo, and they are here to change the lives of our people. One must know that our economy is a neo-apartheid economy, and these two political parties, their policies, they are touching the key component of this economy of ours. I would identify the banks. There must be state banks, there must be commercial banks, there must be mines which are owned by the African people. The land must be owned by us. So these two parties, they really mean what they are saying, and they are going to do what they are saying they will do. Because as things are with this current government, especially the GNU, it's taking us years back now of our democracy, of what we have gained, of what our forefathers fought for. So we are really grateful to be here to show our partner that we are in a good alliance together. Thank you very much.
Siyabonga, nibonile ukuthi kwenzekeleni namhlanje, how the parties and all the speakers that were speaking, they spoke about unity. Now, unity, what it says to me is that, you know that says, united we stand, divided we fall. Unity means that we have to take our land back, and I feel like this is the positive start of black people uniting and making sure that umhlaba wethu uyabuya, mayibuyi Africa. Do not forget, tomorrow we meet in the same time, same place, well, maybe earlier, for the TACC Savers. Sizobana ngomso.